Alright, so I've made a couple changes. One, our little scheme of that washer and the tip of that screw failed completely. And it failed because the trucks they just wouldn't cooperate. So what I did was I milled off some of the underneath, and then I took the hangers out again, and I drilled them one size even bigger than before. So let's take a look at what we got now. Okay, normally before it would derail doing that. All right, so let's hit bridge 15. And I don't know if we can do this. This is not that good of an idea, but we're doing it anyways. Did we make it? Why, we did. Makes bridge 15. Oh, not yet. Nope, not that time. All right, let's go slowly then, as if it was under its own power. Hold it. Did we? Sounds like it doesn't make it. It doesn't right there. It still will go off a little bit. But I've had it go nice and slow, and we make it. That means we, no crap. Okay, when I let go of it, because it's a lightweight, then I lose, and it goes off the track. But if I hold it, ow! Okay, that's me doing that. Because, oh no, that is still me doing it. Alright, quit doing that. Get back on there. Let's try that again. Yes. And yes. Okay, but that's not the most amazing thing. Let's run them down here a little ways. Okay, now. Spaghetti bowl. We don't have to worry about bridge 15 on this guy's home layout. Let's try this though. Yeah. There. Now that means we've done our job. So I think we are going to go ahead and hook them up again, and we should be ready to roll again.